Welcome to Lin Thai Cafe. Today I have to show you how to cook beef oyster sauce. We need to put some mushroom, onion, red and green pepper, and spring onions. This is beef, and I'm going to marinate the beef. Half spoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of corn flour, and now we're going to marinate it with 2 spoons of oyster sauce. And now we're going to mix everything together and cook it. Going to heat the wok. Make it hot, and we're going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we put some beef in, and now we put mushroom, onion, red green pepper, and spring onion, and we put some 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of sugar. We need to cook about 6-7 minutes. Now it's already cooked now, and I'm going to put in the plate.